Hey there, folks. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of religion and explore the similarities between different faiths. So, let's get started. Did you know that all religions, including Hinduism, Christianity, Jainism, and many others, share some striking similarities? It's true. For instance, all religions emphasize the importance of love, compassion, and kindness. They also promote the idea of a higher power or a divine being, often referred to as God. Furthermore, all religions encourage their followers to lead a virtuous life, abstain from evil, and treat others with respect and dignity. This common thread of morality and ethical behavior is a testament to the shared values of all religions. So, the next time you find yourself in a conversation about religion, remember that there's more that unites us than divides us. Thanks for joining me on this journey of discovery.